Okay, hello and welcome to the Lazy Gardener. Today I'm going to start some sowing. Let's get started.
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do them. People dream of...
What are we? Oh, that is so chilly. Okay, so really I should have put this in the propagator overnight, but I'm not going to because I mean it'll warm up. So what am I going to do today? Let's see. I'm going to start off with some of this orange. So start off with some of this orange, some Turkish aubergine or eggplant, depending on where you're from. I really liked this last year. It was a gift from a friend of mine, and oh my god, it was amazing. I have a heated flower bed, so when I put that up, this will go in there. So I'm just going to put two. So I don't have a greenhouse, but I have a underground heated flower bed, which we made last year, and it's heated by the hydroponics, which are heated by a fish tank heater. Okay, so that's that done. I've done two of them. Do I want two? Do you know what I'm going to do four? Because why not? There. 3 in one and 2 in the other. These don't have such a great germination rate. I mean, someone I know saved them out of seed, and I don't know how old they are, so okay. I'm gonna give these a good soaking through as well. So last year I did do these so late, so I'm just going to write Turkish eggplant. Turkish egg. I know we call them aubergines, but I don't know, I always call them eggplants. The next one I really want to try is another gift. This was from my sister for my birthday last year. But by the time it came, it was actually too late to grow eggplant. So these I'm so excited about, because these are the white eggplant that look like eggs. So I'm super excited about these, and see if they grow. Yeah. I'm double sowing them because, like I said, eggplant can be quite tricky to grow. So yeah, that's why I'm doing that. I'm going to call them eggplant. Okay, where's my pocket? Oh, you always forget this time of year, like how freaking cold it is. We've hit a snag. I thought they'd fit that way, sort of watering in. Eggplant requires a growing season of 75 to 95 days. It also needs to have temperatures of 20 degrees to germinate. Therefore, it needs to be sown in January or February for a really good harvest. Additionally, it can take up to 2 weeks for these seeds to germinate, so a bit of patience needs to be employed here. As soon as they sprout, I'm going to be swapping to warming up all my water and using rainwater. And I'll do this by just popping a watering can at a safe distance away from a radiator. This will allow the seedlings not to get shocked by the cold water and ensure good growth. The seedlings will remain in the propagator until they sprout, and then I'll be moving them into the heated bed in about May. And that has got the capillary mat underneath. Okay, so what do I need? I need the lid. Okay, I want to close the lid on this. Make sure that's nice and closed. Right, and that's going to sit here. You can't see it on the camera, but you can actually see my breath. So that's going to raise up to 20 degrees. Just going to plug that in. Oh, I'm going to turn it on because my hand's wet. So that's all plugged in now. Just need to remember to turn it on. And I'm going to pack up, go in and make some nice cup of tea, warm up and think about my life really. So thanks for watching.